Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you're enjoying this content, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience using this platform. Today, we're diving into the YA app, specifically its crypto investment features found at https://www.yuh.com/en/app/invest/crypto/. YA offers a streamlined approach to getting involved in the cryptocurrency market, aiming to simplify the process for both seasoned investors and newcomers. The platform provides a user-friendly interface that allows you to buy, sell, and hold a selection of popular cryptocurrencies. While the specific coins available may vary, YA typically focuses on providing access to well-established and widely traded options. One of the key advantages of using YA for crypto investment is the integration with its broader financial services. This can simplify portfolio management by allowing you to keep track of both your traditional assets and your crypto holdings in a single location. It's important to note that YA is a regulated financial institution, which can provide an added layer of security and trust compared to some other crypto platforms. Their commitment to regulatory compliance is a significant factor for users concerned about the safety of their investments. However, like any investment platform, YA has its own fee structure. Be sure to thoroughly review the associated costs before making any transactions to ensure they align with your investment strategy. YA aims to be transparent about its fee schedule, so information should be readily available on their website or within the app. For users new to the crypto space, YA often provides educational resources or simplified explanations of key concepts. This can be invaluable for understanding the nuances of digital currencies and making informed investment decisions. While YA strives to offer a comprehensive crypto investing experience, it's important to remember that the cryptocurrency market is inherently volatile. No platform can eliminate the risks associated with these investments, so it's crucial to conduct your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Overall, YA's crypto offering provides a convenient and potentially more secure entry point into the world of digital assets. The integration with its existing financial services, coupled with its focus on user experience, makes it an attractive option for those looking to diversify their portfolio with cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to check the description for all the relevant links. And as always, do your own research before making any investment decisions.